Hey everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my ySense review. I hope you enjoy. We're on the road to 100k subscribers, so thank you for your support. Let's kick this off. So this is what ySense looks like on the Google Play Store. ySense to me has some of the highest paying surveys that I've found on money making applications. You can see here by looking at the screen, we have surveys that are literally willing to pay us $3.48 for just 10 minutes of our time. And anyone out there that's completed surveys before knows how good this is. And by the way, my voice is actually shot at the moment as I've been away for a wedding for the last few days. But I'm back now and will be posting my regular schedule. I understand not everyone out there likes surveys, but I feel like ySense is an application that has to at least be investigated by anyone out there that wants to earn online. Take a look at this survey here, 16 minutes of our time for $4.64 United States currency. That's right everyone, ySense pays in USD currency. So depending on where you live, that could be a really big benefit to using it. Next to the survey tab at the bottom of the screen, you have the Discover tab. I absolutely love how simple the design is on ySense, by the way. As you can see, everything's pretty much laid out as soon as you launch the app up. Now at the top of the screen we have the Offers tab and the Playtime Rewards area. We'll check out those two sections in a few minutes. Let me just focus here on the Offers tab because I'm sure this is going to help someone out there decide if they're going to use ySense or not. I'm going to tap the Sort By button and select Max to Minimum. So now what this has done is actually sort out ySense's offers from most expensive, aka highest paying, to the lowest. It seems there is a $3,500 giveaway going on right now. Underneath that we have a Crypto.com offer for $150 USD. We have some sort of psychic reading offer for $50. And now we actually start moving into the game offers. We have a triple tile offer here for $50. We have a bingo blitz offer here for $45. We have a Star Trek offer for $45. Interesting enough, they have a deal here. If you join Fiverr and spend $20, you'll earn $40 back. Interesting enough, there's an ExpressVPN offer here and it offers up to $40 USD. The offers just keep on going and going, as you can see, so it all depends really what you're interested in. Of course, when it comes to the offers though, the big problem is usually they get quite difficult. So while I do like that ySense has a ton of different offer variety for us to choose from, it can get quite hard. And I know a lot of people out there probably have maybe even tried to complete a lot of the offers here on ySense on other platforms, but I still recommend it's worth even investigating just to see if you can find something you've never really seen before and maybe you can nab some quick little USD currency. The best thing about it is we haven't even started with the offers really because there are so many different offer providers that ySense allows you to go through. Of course, depending on country, this could change quite dramatically, so please keep that in mind. I live in Australia, so you're seeing my experience based on living in Australia. At the top of the offer screen, we have the ySense offers, but then we have Wanna Ads, Review, Offertoro, AH Studios, AdGate, Ascend, and Peanut Labs. While I won't go through every single one of these offer walls today, I'll show you at least Offertoro so you can see what's up. So here's the Offertoro wall on ySense. Now you'll notice that it's mainly based, from what I can tell, on game offers. So this is quite nice to see. Looking at this Mafia City offer, you'll notice that we'll get $48 if we manage to get to a level 25 mansion within 30 days. Now, judging by that reward to time ratio, I'm going to assume that Mafia City offers like this are very difficult because usually offer wall providers will never offer this much up unless it's a very hard task. There is a Puzzles and Conquest offer here, which is multi-reward. We can get up to $40 almost as well. Now this is what the multi-reward area of Offertoro or pretty much any offer wall looks like. Even though it states that you can earn up to $40, right, you're going to have to complete all these various little tasks within the offer first to pretty much get the full amount. You'll notice the last one here is the highest one, which says purchase Michael, and we get $17. Always read the rules of these offer wall tasks, by the way. If you sign up with the same email address on multiple offer walls, more than likely you will not get rewarded if you complete it again, even on a new platform platform, so keep that in mind. We have many more offers underneath it as well. We have Go Candy, Go Toy, the Ants Underground Kingdom, all offering up at least $30 to almost $40. Underneath that, we have even more of these games, guys. All of them are offering at least $20 to almost $30. It's really, really cool to see how much ySense is willing to pay its users. Now again, offer walls will change depending on country, so I don't want to set any unrealistic expectations, but this is at least what I get here in Australia, so I thought I'd show you anyway, just in case you're curious. Next, let's check out the Playtime Rewards. Alright, so, Playtime Rewards on ySense. I actually do love the fact they have the feature. What I don't like is that they really only have a limited amount of games available. Like right now here in Australia, I've only got 2 options here, which is not that good. And the amount of actual coins or cents that you can generate isn't that high. Looking at 53 cents here, everyone, in total, and I'm getting about a cent per minute. Underneath that, you have 37 cents with 1 cent per minute. At the end of the day, that's roughly going to give me about $1 worth of USD, which I could probably spend my time doing other things on ySense in general, rather than playing these games that really more than likely aren't worth my time. If you want to use ySense, it might be worth checking out the actual Playtime Rewards area in your country just to see what comes up, because it could be completely different from what you're seeing here. Something to always keep in mind as well is that on the surveys page, it literally refreshes itself every few hours. What this means is that if you check back on ySense, you should technically have a whole new list of surveys to complete. Because remember, most surveys are time sensitive, so if you check back regularly every day, there should be new surveys available. That's generally how these applications work. Now, tapping on the top left corner of the screen will bring up the menu where you can choose Refer and Earn. ySense has a great referral program where you can earn from 10 cents to 30 cents, and once your referral earns their first $5, you will then earn $2 completely for free. Not only that, every survey or offer they complete will earn you 20% of commission, and that can be leveled up all the way up to 30% the more active referrals you have. So overall, ySense has a very cool system here. You can of course find my link in the description below, by the way. Now going back to that menu in the top left corner of the screen, you can find the cash out area. This is where ySense really shines, okay? The amount of cash out options that this application has is through the roof. So we're talking about 22 different cash out options, at least here in Australia. I'm very curious to see what you guys have in your country, so feel free to let me know in the comment section below. But as you can see, we have so much variety here when it comes to the cash out. The greatest thing is, Amazon is only a $3 minimum depending on what one you choose. If I choose Amazon Australia, it's a $5 minimum. Then scrolling all the way down, we have an iTunes gift card for $8.75 minimum. Then we have a PayPal one for $10 minimum, and then we have a gift card one for $10 minimum. As you can see, it goes on and on. So all this means nothing unless ySense is legit, okay? And I'm happy to say, every time I've cashed out on ySense throughout this year of 2022, I've been paid every single time. Depending on your country, you're generally looking at earning between $5 and $10 USD per day. Remember, we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. Be sure to check out my website and of course my YouTube channel for other legitimate money making methods. I'll catch you all around, stay safe, see you tomorrow.